spoken to both the MLAs of the BJP, and both the MLAs of the BJP have distanced themselves from the comments he has made. Both the MLAs have told me that they are in favor of Ernest Maury being removed as the president of the BJP. I've spoken to half the BJP leaders, more than half the BJP leaders in the BJP in Meghalaya unit. They all are in favor of ousting Ernest Maury. I've spoken to national leaders also, and they are also very upset with the way the president of the BJP has been handling the situation. The rest is up to the BJP, but I'm telling you the internal feelings of the party leaders and more importantly the legislatures of the BJP who are completely against the president, Mr. Ernest Maury.